Here's the mirror of the Renault Espace, and it's folded electronically. Now I will open it manually. I can move it, but it's not stopping. Plus that click sound. So it's not stopping at a predefined location. Okay, let's open it. So I don't know where I should stop it because it's not clicking. Plus, if I open it electronically also, then it's moving in a totally bad location. So it's way outside. So you should better not open it manually. Now it jumped back into its place. I'm not sure if it's meant to move like that or it's broken already. So now it's closed. Now it's not moving. Now it opened. Now it's not moving anymore. So better don't open it manually because it's not stopping at a predefined location. And if it's possible, use it electronically. Down here it is closed and up there it is opened. Both on the left, center and on the right also. So even if I placed it into the center, both of them opened. It's opened. Turn it back and it's closing.